how to fix your mic on Google Meet on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix your mic on Google Meet on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here type Meet and you will find it. Click on it and then click storage, and first click clear data. You will need to log in again, but that will fix your problem. And then go to permissions and click microphone, allow it. Now just go to Google Meet and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.